It's your boy, AFX First Rap Fiber. You know what I'm saying? We got a car meetup up in Southwest Florida, feel me? And look at this car right here, my boy. Look at this nice, fresh Vanguard, you know what I'm saying? Beautiful car right here, you know what I'm saying? Right here. But he about to pull off the lot, you feel me? And look at this guy right here, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? If you're looking fresh, you know what I'm saying? If you're looking fresh, you know what I'm saying? Like, look at this. You know what I'm saying? Got the brand new, brand new, brand new. You know what I'm saying? Bro, you gotta be an actual gangster out here. Like, you can revving on the engines on. So you gotta get more people to pull up. This is nice. You know, a Lambo like this. Sheesh. Sheesh. I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know if more people gonna show up. You know what I'm saying? Pop out, tap in. What's karma? Damn! He's straight. He's strapped up. Oh my god, bro, they strapped up, my boy. They scrapping. They scrapping. They scrapping, my boy. Hey, bro, they don't look like that. There's nobody coming. There's nobody trying to do our things and things. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna head out. So, like and subscribe. Join Discord down below. You know what I'm saying? I'm putting out y'all. Peace. Oh, wait, hold on. Hold on. Yes, sir. We like that Camaro. We like that Camaro. But this person's not in our park. But okay, we're not gonna let you know. We like that. I thought it was gonna be dead, but okay, okay, okay. Don't shoot. Mrs. Man's wife. I'm bad cop. Oh, what? Get, I just, that's true. If you sit there for a long time, you can say, okay. Just use the internet instead of terrible. No. You know what I'm saying? The most slow motion drift of all time is yeah. You like this, don't you like this? Yeah, for sure. Uh, the version like, so, hey, you can imagine, I'm broke. See, I'm broke as hell. So, hey, no one's really pumping up to this man. This man different. Oh, he ain't different. He's going crazy. He's hitting me. See, damn, damn. Oh, y'all lagging. Okay. Pulling out different cars. Like a Mustang. Like a Mustang. Like a Mustang. Yeah, man. It's pretty drifted. Okay. Doing donuts. Okay. Damn. All the popo is on my own road. Okay. Hey, he just changed color like the car. Okay. Oh, hold up. It's a whole different person. Okay. Man got a bike. He got a bike. Dang. Okay. I see. Okay. You messed up, but Damn, look at okay. Messed up, messed up. Very messed up. The grass messed it up. Basically, we saw we left other places. A, so it is what it is. Really. People selling dip, and I don't know who just. Hey, are you trying to whip the what I is? Some old car or something. Hey, it's getting dark there. I'm not gonna see you there. The more people pulling up. Oh, okay, okay. Monday when one was talking, we drift in the camera. Oh, you can't always drift this thing. Can't really do that. So I don't have power in this car. No, this car, this one here is afterthought. I don't care about the stuff. You don't care. We don't care, brother. No, you don't care. But, okay. Okay. Bruh, this dude forgot. Following car park, bruh. No, 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 no. Oh, God, that's it. Looking like Camaro, though. Hey, they say let's go eat MC, so I'm not in the video now. So like and subscribe, and just gonna be like, y'all, peace.